Now for one of my videos that are more serious, that I'm not playing up on, let's say. This is my bike, yeah, big learner. It's 125 Sinus Apache. But I always say, be seen, be safe. So what I've done for less than £14.50, for less than £14, I made myself these. These come from eBay. The light strips I bought from eBay separately. A bit of soldering, a bit of wiring, and it makes a real good job. Let me just show you. You're going down the road, obviously, and you turn. The LEDs are as bright as the proper indicators, but they're much bigger, obviously, more visible, so you can actually see better. And obviously on the side you can also see that there if somebody's approaching you while you're at the junction. So I'll put the links below if you want to make your own, but there you go. I'll put them on the other side, show you this side. So, if you want to make your own, great. I've had to bring my bike indoors to show you because it's a bit bright out there. I'm on about these are great for nighttime use and dusk, say. Okay, if that helps you, give us a thumbs up. If you're going to do one, and let me know how he gets on. See you later.